Here's the babies that were born on 8/24. Look at that face. Look at that face. Hi, little woman. Hi, little woman. He's gonna get the little animal. Woohoo. There's 5. Hi, baby. They're coming over here for kisses. Kisses. He's gonna be silver when he gets bigger. Come here, baby.
Come here, guys.
Come here.
Come on. Come here.
They're over there hiding. Over there hiding.
Come on, guys.
What are y'all doing? There you are. There you are. Hi there. Aw, she nestled right here by my leg. Aw. Boo-boo. Are you trying to eat that dog food? She is. She got a piece of that dog food.
Yeah, I see them picking up.
What are you doing over there, little man? You're not as big as nesting. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, he's got the frog. Now he's got the lion. Frogs, lions, and bears. Oh my. Oh my. Frogs, lions, and bears. Oh my. Oh my. And you? Come here. You can't go hide behind me and cuddle to my leg. Cuddle to my leg. There's my beautiful face. I'm a little girl. I'm a little girl. I'm Ruby. On you. You are so cute. Look at that face. Me.
I think that one standing over there in that corner is the cutest.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if that's a girl or a boy, but boy.
It's a girl.
Cute face, black on its face.
Boogie, 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 boogie.
Baby.
Over there taking things out.
Come on.
Chewing on my hand.
Come on.
Chewing on my hand. Oh, there you go. Look at their wavy coats. They have awesome coats.
They're showing out for you.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I think we're going to be done for today.